Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today I'm going to be doing resin, a resin tray. Oh, funny, I could speak, that's shocking. These aren't the good ones from Amazon, these are cheap flimsy ones from Temu. I got them free and with something or other, and I thought, go on, I'll give it a bash. I've never used it before. I've used the other ones, obviously, we all have. I've used them a lot. There's a hair there. And I'm just going to make a fun tray. I've been sorting through all my stickers and things, and we've had nothing but Christmas videos. Well, I've had nothing but Christmas videos. I've binge watched them all. Craft videos, I mean, Christmas craft videos. Anyway. So I thought, right, I'll have something that's completely different. So I will be using, sorry about that, Let's Resin epoxy resin today for this. And I'm going to be using these smiley face stickers. So we'll get the resin mixed up and I'll be back with you. Right, got my resin all mixed up. I've mixed up 120 mils in total. Bit bubbly. I do have it on a neat mat, and I'm going to be making it black. For the simple reason they look cool on that black surface, don't they? Now I still can't get my black pigment paste open. I've just tried and hurt myself. So I shall order some new, and we're using alcohol ink. I have to put a fair bit in, I would say. I hope I've not put too much in for the cure. Give it a good mix up. I've had these stickers a long time. I think I got the stickers from the range. I made a coaster a while ago for my mum. And all the kiddies that came to my mum's house absolutely loved. They just played with it. I mean, a coaster, but they played with it anyway. And then my sister turned up and she went, "Where did you get this coaster from?" So she took it home with her. And I've never known a coaster more popular with these stickers in, honestly. So I thought, we'll put a smile on somebody's face with this tray. Right, I think we're mixed up now. And I'm just going to pour it in. And look at that, I've not made enough. I'll top this up and I'll give it a squirt with some isopropyl alcohol. And I will see you when it's cured. It's cured now. I'm just going to demold it. If I can. Now I'm trying out a new light because it's night time, and I'd like you to let me know what you think of it, because at the moment I can't tell. I'm looking at the camera but I can't tell. That's come out very nice. Got two little air bubbles there. Not a problem. Right, all we're going to do is pick which ones we like out of here. I've got two lots. I do kind of like the big blue one, so I'm going to take that off, if I remember which way it comes off. There we go. Lovely. And I'm going to stick that in the middle, or in the middle as much as I can. No, not very central, is it? And we're just going to work them round the outside, so I'm going to speed you up for this while I decide on placement.
We interrupt this video for an important message. Every year, dozens of editors suffer from neglect and poor housing. For just one like, comment and subscribe, you can make a positive change. Like nutrition and toilet roll, so like, comment and subscribe so you too can make a difference.
Right, I've got my resin mixed up. There's a bit stuck on there. Let's just give it another wipe over. Just make sure everything's clean. Right, I've only made 20 mils. I'm hoping that's going to be enough. If it's not, we'll just mix some more up. Same resin, let's resin epoxy. We're just going to pour it on. Right, I've got a silicone tool here and I'm just going to move it to the edge. Right, I think that's it. As you saw, I just went along the top and domed it ever so slightly. I'm not going to spray with isopropyl alcohol. I don't want the surface tension breaking around the sides and it popping over. So I'm just going to hit it with my heat gun, babysit it for a while, and I'll be back when it's cured. Right, it's dry now. I did try to correct it, the holes there and there with UV resin. Made a bit of a mess, but I mean, it doesn't ruin it. It's cute, isn't it? I'm going to put some foam on the bottom just to protect it, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm sure it'll make people smile. It makes me smile. Anyway, I'll pop some photos up, then you can see it properly. But that's very cute. I like it. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.